Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unpackaging and review of the Cresee case for Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so we unboxed and set up our Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G recently, and very nicely Xiaomi included what Chris over at TechSpert referred to as a condom case. Yes, it comes with a TPU silicone case, which is great, and it shows off that Xiaomi name, but maybe you just want something a bit different and, more importantly, a bit more colourful. One of the things you might want to do is protect that shiny glass back, and I found this case on Amazon. It's under £9 here in the UK at the moment, available on Amazon Prime. So I'm going to open this up and see what it's like. It arrived in super slimline packaging from Amazon, and inside the plastic sleeve we have a bit of polystyrene holding the device in shape. And first impression is that it's a nice soft touch. It's a nice soft touch case, and more importantly, it has a microfiber lining, which means that if any dust does get stuck in underneath the case, it's less likely to scratch your case, your phone itself. So I'm going to take the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G, which I'm really enjoying using, and pop it into the case, and then we'll walk through the case features from there. So there we go, that was pretty simple. So just to show you, the screen is not blocked in any way by this Cresee case for the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. The buttons placements for volume rockers, let's switch that screen on. Volume up works fine, volume down works fine. There's a nice cutout for the fingerprint scanner power button, so you can switch your device on and off pretty easily. That works perfectly well. There's cutouts at the top for the microphone hole. I think that's another microphone hole and the infrared blaster, so everything as expected there. And at the bottom we have a cutout for the microphone, speaker grill and USB Type-C port. And let's have a look at the cutouts for the camera. I really like this case, and that's what caught my eye, is that it fully protects that camera bump, not only by lifting it up, but actually covering the camera bump with only cutout for the lenses and flash module. So I really do like that. And it, in a way, highlights how awesome that 108 megapixel sensor is on the camera module, that big one at the center. So really nice case. First impressions are very positive. It doesn't add much in terms of bulk to the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. It is very slimline, but still is reassuringly protective. So I think I'll be using this case for a while, we'll see. I do have another one on order, and obviously I've chosen in this case the green version for the Cresee case for the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. You can also purchase this in blue and black, so it's not just green, but I went for green just to have a bit of something different. So there you have it. This was our quick unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G case from Cresee. I'll pop a link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. If you're an Amazon Prime subscriber, it's free next day delivery. And at time of recording this video, it's under £9. It's £8.99. So thanks for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And we will continue this week of double video publishing with a phone case in the morning and a more normal video review in the afternoon. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.